So this is my finalized design for my final year project. In this video, I'm just going to run through the setup of my project, the workings of it, and show you it working. My initial aim was to design and manufacture a physical prototype that supports the development of manual drafting skills using digital interface. And I feel that with this design, I've successfully fulfilled my initial aim. I was going to start with the protector screen. So this was just tracing paper. What I done was I rolled silicone onto it. So I put 3 layers of silicone onto the perspex sheet. The reason for this was so that it acts like a sponge. So that actually when I press down the screen, I'm not just pressing on the screen, I can actually press hard and press light because of the silicone acting like a sponge. I have a 10mm perspex sheet running around the outside of. So if we lift up here, you can see all the sensors running along the sheet. So what happens is a beam of light gets shone across here, and when I break the light, the cameras inside pick it up. So inside the desk itself, I have a laptop, or I'll have a motherboard, I have a projector, I have 2 cameras, a mirror, and that's just an on button. And the dolphin bar is there in the corner. So the 2 cameras, one camera is used for the touch, so it picks up the touch, and then the other camera is used for the pen that I built for drawing with. So what happens is you turn on the projector, turn on the motherboard, it hits the glass, and it projects up onto my screen. It just made a window from the side so you could see what was going on inside. At the minute I have it out because it gets very warm inside there, so I just have it out for the time being to let a bit of air when everything is running. And then on the other side, I just have a hidden compartment, and inside here I just have T-squares and Z-squares. So now I'm just going to turn it on, and I'm going to run through the touch and the pen. So I'm just after booting up the desk and calibrating the touch. So as we see now, wherever I press on the screen, it moves the cursor to that point. As I was saying from earlier, there's a beam of light going across my perspex sheet, and when I break the light, the camera picks it up. It also can pick up multiple fingers, and I'll show you that in a minute now. I'll show you can open up menus, scroll up and down, open up games, play games. There's also some very good touch games on for pictures and stuff like that, so you can get like loads of pictures, you can have loads of people around, and you can have them all working on the desk at one time. I'll just show you the multiple fingers working here now. So when I press my finger, you see it picking up. When I press 2 it picks up, I press 5 it picks up, 6. So I can pick up multiple touch points on the table. So I'm just going to run through the pen and the drafting side of the desk. So the pen was very easy made. It was just one IR bulb, switch, and a battery here at the back. So it just acts like a torch. When I activate the switch, it lights up, and the camera inside picks up the infrared light. I redesigned this pen so that it feel more like I was drafting, and the way I done that was I made it so that there's a push to make switch in there, and you actually can press in the bulb now also, and it'll activate the light. So as you can see, when I lean on the screen and move the cursor, or you can push the button, but I prefer just pressing in the bulb. That's going to run through calibration. Calibration is very easy with the pen. Simple enough, just press the four corners. But once you have it calibrated once, it never has to be calibrated again. The more center you get these on the points, the better it'll be. So that's not too bad there now with that. So I'll just open up the drawing software. So this is the drawing software that I'm using, is Active FTIR. And let's get the T-squares and set-squares and I'll show you draw a few straight lines. So I'm just going to click on the pencil there and select different line thicknesses. So I put T-square down. You can lean on the T-square and none of the sensors are picked up. So now when I lean on the bulb, it will draw a straight line for me. And the same then, if you want to go at an angle. As I was saying earlier, you can have different line thicknesses, so you can have smaller line thicknesses, you can change the colour, you can do whatever you want. I just open up. I also have save drawn, so this is one that I done earlier on. So as you can see, it was pretty accurate and drawn. My solids and contact question, I was able to bring in images of the question just so I could see them while I was drawing it. I also have a template set up for the borders, as you can see. So you can see the border, we can zoom in and zoom out and make it a fit screen. So overall, I'm very happy with how my project turned out, and I feel that I've hit all the criteria that I wanted to hit